Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel, the DIY Singh. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video I'm going to repair front windshield of my 2020 Toyota Corolla. This is the second time my car got hit by a piece of rock on the highway while going to work. You can see here the shape of this ship is in a star, and the size is approximately 1.25 inch. So I bought this kit from Canadian Tire Permatex Windshield Repair, which is best suitable for cracks up to 1.25 inch in size. So I got this kit for $17 plus tax. So I will provide the link in the description of this video. Do check it out, and let's jump into the repair. So let's open this out. So here we got this is a bin to scrape out the loose particles of glass. Keep it here. This is used to produce a vacuum in the main tube, and this is the thing which will stick with the help of double tape and will spread the glue on the crack. Double tape for the piece to stick. Curing tape which we'll use at the end. This is a main resin. So this is a alcohol wipe to clean it at the initial stage. So this is all we got in the kit. That's all. So we'll clean the area and begin with the repair. I will clean this area first. It's a bright sunny day, perfect to do these kind of repairs. As you can see, I'm not going to apply more pressure. I don't want that cracks to increase. Okay. So there is an instruction manual also which gives you the complete instructions. So first of all, I will use this alcohol wipe to clean that affected area. Actually it's not a hole. I can't feel any hole over here. It's just a crack, no material get off from this area. So I can feel with the when I slide the pen, I can feel there is no material missing over here, or there is nothing like bit. So which is good. Make sure you center the center of the crack with this hole, because that's the area which we have to fill, and it will distribute the resin. will stick this plastic part. So we have to put enough resin. As you can see, this tube got filled. We have to keep we have to save some quantity for later on. Here we go. Okay, so make sure you're not putting a lot of pressure. So now you have to take it out and lock it on the second position here and leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes of creating the vacuum are over. Now we'll take syringe out, let the air go in, and we'll put it back same way. Now this time we'll put the pressure and lock it like this for 20 minutes. We'll come back in 20 minutes. So now 20 minutes are over. Always keep a piece of cloth so as to wipe the residue. I will remove it. This blade also comes with the packing. So now we will do the last step of curing the crack. So whatever leftover resin we have, I will pour it on this star in a circular fashion. Actually, I have noticed that when I was doing the repair, I think the glass got pushed by my body and the crack got increased. Let's see what happens. Before it was not big. I think the way I'm standing, it got my body weight squeezed it, and it squeezed the A pillars, because of which the crack got increased. I'll put this one here. With the razor blade, we'll take out all the air bubbles. Actually, I will try to cover all the lines, the runs which are coming out of the center, so that it gets filled with the resin, and leave it for half an hour. So we'll come and check back after half an hour. It's a sunny day, bright sunny day, so it takes half an hour. If it was cloudy, then I would have put it for 1 hour. Around 30 minutes are done. We'll start scraping out this curing sheet. So as you can see friends, the cracks got filled by the adhesive resin, so it looks good to me. Let's see how long it works. So that's all for this video. Hope it will help you out in doing the same. Thanks for watching. God much bless all. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.